In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compress image before sending email in Outlook. We'll walk through the whole process from your browser to your email, keeping it simple so your message sends quickly and looks great. Start by opening your browser and heading to your preferred search engine. In the search bar, type Outlook, then click the official Outlook website in the results. If you're prompted to sign in, do that so you land in your inbox. Once you're in, click New Mail to open a fresh message. This is where we'll insert the optimized image shortly, and having it open now makes the final steps seamless. Next, open a new browser tab and search for an image compressor. You'll find several reputable, free tools. On the compressor page, look for the option to choose files. When you hover, select From Device, then pick the image you want to shrink from your computer. This is especially useful for large photos straight from a phone or camera, which can be several megabytes and may slow down sending or trigger attachment limits. If the tool offers default compression settings, they usually strike a good balance between size and quality, so you can leave them as is for a quick result. Once your file is loaded, click Compress. The site will process the image and reduce its size while trying to preserve clarity. When it finishes, click Download to save the compressed version. It's a good idea to keep the original and the compressed file side by side. Consider renaming the new one with WoW Compressed so it's easy to spot. If you're handling sensitive photos, use a trusted tool and avoid uploading anything confidential. Now switch back to the Outlook tab with your draft message. At the top of the Compose window, click Insert. From the menu, choose Pictures. Navigate to the compressed image you just downloaded and insert it into your email. Inserting from here places the image directly in the body of the message, which is ideal when you want the image to be visible without extra clicks and keeps the layout tidy for your recipient. Before sending, take a moment to review. Make sure the image looks clear enough for your purpose, and that any text around it references the image appropriately. If you plan to include multiple images, compress each one the same way to keep the total size small and help ensure smooth delivery, especially for recipients on mobile or slower connections. And that's it. You opened Outlook, compressed your image in a separate tab, downloaded the optimized file, and inserted it into your email. This quick workflow reduces attachment size, speeds up sending, and makes your messages easier to open.